तुलसी विवाह 2022।
उत्तिष्ठ गोविंद त्यज निद्रां जगत्पतये त्वयि सुप्ते जगन्नाथ जगत्सुप्तं भवेदिदम् उत्थिते चेष्टते सर्वमुत्तिष्ठोत्तिष्ठ माधव गता मेघा वियच्चैव निर्मलं निर्मला दिशा शारदानि च पुष्पाणि गृहाण मम केशव।
What is Tulsi Vivah? Tulsi Vivah is an auspicious occasion which celebrates the marriage of Lord Vishnu and Mata Tulsi. Tulsi Vivah marks the end of monsoon and inception of Hindu wedding season. According to Hindu calendar, this wedding takes place in the Hindu month of Kartik, that is October to November, on Shukla Paksha and is celebrated on Dwadashi of the Shukla Paksha. How did Tulsi Vivah come to be? According to myth legends, there was a woman called Brinda, an ardent devotee of Lord Vishnu and very faithful to her husband Jalandhara. Jalandhara was believed to be a fraction of Lord Shiva. Jalandhara longs for supreme power and he went on a spree to kill all the kings and gods and became a powerful demon god. It was believed that Brinda's fidelity protected him all along. So, all the gods went to Lord Vishnu and requested him to thwart the demon Jalandhara. After that, Lord Vishnu disguises as Jalandhara and spends a night with his wife, Brinda. Brinda's oblivious act of infidelity causes Jalandhara's end of evil reign. To make up for his immoral act, Lord Vishnu transformed Brinda's soul into a Tulsi plant and made promise to her he would marry her in her next birth. Why do we celebrate Tulsi Vivah? According to Hindu mythology, the plant Tulsi is considered an incarnation of goddess Lakshmi. As per the Hindu scriptures, Lord Vishnu made a promise to Brinda in the next birth he would marry her to make up for his wrongfully consummating with her. All the auspicious ceremonies like weddings can begin after this. According to religious belief, people who perform Tulsi Vivah get Lord Vishnu's blessings and their unforeseen trouble gets resolved. Benefits of performing Tulsi Vivah. Tulsi Vivah is considered to be spiritual purity, Satvika, and is a conflation of soul, that is Jiva, and God. The usual setup of Tulsi Vivah incorporates an elaborately decorated sugarcane pavilion. Leaves are also sometimes used. And to conclude the whole ceremony, a priest is a must. Offering Tulsi leaves to Lord Vishnu in the month of Kartik brings luck. Worshipping Shaligram this month can change both fate and life. Worshipping Shaligram properly does not disturb any kind of disease and planetary obstruction. In whichever house Shaligram lives with Tulsi Das, conch shell and shivling, there always remains prosperity. It is believed that by marrying Tulsi Ji and Shaligram, form of Lord Vishnu, on this day, one gets the result equivalent to Kanyadan. Tulsi Vivah dates and time in 2022. So this year, if you want to perform Tulsi Vivah and need an expert Purohit, then Prayag Pandits is at your service. Prayag Pandits is one of India's largest online and offline pujan service provider, currently active in more than 10 Tirth Sthals. Like every year, we are organizing Tulsi Vivah Pujan. To conduct Tulsi Vivah, or if you have any questions or queries, please give us a call. We will guide you and help you in performing Tulsi Pujan with our expert Purohits. Thank you.